What's going on, everybody? So it's Gabe back with another video, and right now we're washing the truck, and then we're gonna go meet up with my brother. We're gonna go meet up with some of his friends in San Marcos, and then we're gonna be cruising to New Braunfels to Buc-ee's. It's a little pop-up meet today, and today was my first day of school, but I'm doing online school because of the coronavirus. I ain't trying to get sick, and I won't be able to film any YouTube videos. But I was gonna make a video about me and Jacob trading rims, but I didn't like the way I made it, so here it is. I traded rims with Jacob. These are 20s, and then I gave him, well, I didn't give him, but we traded for a couple of days. I traded him with my 22s. So that's how the truck came out. We're probably gonna be trading once he gets his truck back, because his truck is in the shop right now. One of his, I think, active lifters went out, so he has to get that done. And then hopefully once his truck gets out, we'll be making more content, because I don't really have anyone to hang out with another truck besides my brother. So hopefully it'll be the three of us. And then I'll go follow my Instagram at Gabe_03, and then that's my truck crew right there. Me, my brother, and Jacob, we made it. There's 4 of us, us 3, and another friend. I'm pretty sure we have more people to join, but right now we haven't really asked them because I haven't made any more decals yet. I have to make some. And so yeah, let's start washing the truck. Alright guys, so we just finished washing the truck at home. We pulled up to the gas station right now, and I'm here with Pocahontas and Jacob. I'm putting gas right now, and then we're probably going to be going to Bryce's right now. Alright guys, so we just pulled up to Bryce's house right now. I guess he was washing his truck because he don't know how to take care of his stuff. Man, he's a bad guy. He's lazy. Check it out. Yeah, guys, that's my little brother's truck right there. Yeah, I don't know if y'all knew, but he's my little brother. And I guess we're probably gonna be chilling here for a little bit, so I'll catch y'all when we're out. What's good, guys? So we just pulled up to the gas station. Bryce is pumping some gas real quick. That 93. Yes, sir. So we just put up to the car wash in San Marcos. We just met up with some of Bryce's friends, and we're about to head out to Buc-ee's right now. so we just pulled up to Buc-ee's right now, and there's a couple of trucks here. They're pretty nice. We got my truck right here. We got Jeremy's right here. We got the bags. We got Bryce's truck right here. I don't know these people. Pretty clean truck. Some goals right here. Clean OBS right here. And this right here. This is pretty sexy. Alright guys, so those are all the trucks that are here right now. Some pretty clean trucks. Pretty badass. If I had money, I'd do this in my truck. I don't have money at all. It's pretty clean. But alright guys, I'll update whenever some more people show up and whenever it gets more lit. But alright y'all, we about to walk into Buc-ee's. I check out the single cab that just pulled up. Pretty sick, bro. It's pretty damn fast too. I want to be that fast.
Y'all drop a like and subscribe and turn on post noties.
Hell yeah.
Yes, sir.
So it's up to the vlog, bro.
What's up, bro?
That's my little brother, guys. No, he's not. He's my big brother. I'm not sure, bro. Probably next year. Y'all probably gonna see this video a year later. This video gets 200 likes.
Well, here's 200 likes. I'll fix my truck. Hey, he'll show y'all his truck. Has it been in the vlog yet?
Nuh-uh. Truck review. We're inside Buc-ee's. You gotta wear your mask, kids.
This is for like fucking underarms.
This is a big ass gas station. I don't smell it. Oh my god, man. I never had to walk this much in a gas station. It's too much.
Oh no.
Alright, we catch up when we're leaving. Oh yeah, we just picked up some food. Some grub.
Oh, it looks like you bought edibles. Why? The way they package gummy bears.
About to grub on some Buc-ee's. There's a taco truck here, but he just left. Like, I'm hungry. I haven't ate.
Oh, yeah. Gordos! Gordos, tacos.
Bro, I better get sponsored or something.
Tacos locos for life.
Because I ain't doing this for nothing. Hey, have you seen that TikTok where people go and hide money inside his mask?
Yeah. No? Bro?
Yeah.
Have anybody done it in your brothels yet?
I'm pretty sure.
Should we check it?
Check it, bro. Might find a fucking $1,000 and shit.
Well, man. Our ass mob that.
Well, it's gonna be like 5 minutes for us, but it'll be like a second for y'all. But about to go back to the trucks. Way over there. We made it. It was like a second, but 10 minutes for us. Say hi, Adeline.
About to go do some runs.
Hell yeah. About to take some people to Gapplebee's. Right?
People said streaks, bro.
Hey, let me get my grub, bro.
Stop. Got thirsty. What'd you get? I got food.
Pulled pork.
I got fat.
Dude, I ran out of breath walking over here. Now I'm thirsty. I'm about to grub on this. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Y'all check out what we just pulled up. Hell yeah. Shit's fire, bro. Oh, we got the bag. What did you say?
Stupid money.
Stupid money. Like that. How's it pretty clean? Chryslers on bags. It's fun where Jacob and them went. Pretty cool. Well, the car's pulled up. Today was just a chill day, thank God. Finally didn't get kicked out or somewhere. Oh. Look, smile, guys. Y'all say hi to my little brother right here. Like I said, go follow his Instagram. Lil Bryce 18.
Just turned 22.
Hell yeah.
Let her go.
Pretty clean. Not even a chance.
How's it do?
Cars pulled up. Nevaeh, where's your mom and Lona? Someone two-step. Nah, I thought that shit was something bang. Nah, I thought it was money.
Nah, bro. When they run some bike with us, I always put kids around. I was just spinning through the red one. My grandpa messed up my first story. He ran out of front of the iPad. The case just slid over the wing.
Y'all just wait for Jacob's truck. Getting twin turbo. Maybe? No. Definitely not.
That dude deserted me the fuck out.
Who?
The guy that passed by, he was like, dude, I see your dents.
Oh, yeah.
I could fix them.
Look, y'all see this truck? Jacob's truck is lower than the back. And it's not even on bags. In his dreams. He really just threw lottery tickets in the back of my truck. What did he say?
I don't know.
Is he laughing at me, bro?
Who?
Someone's laughing at me, guys. Blow this up so I don't look dumb. Just leave a like and subscribe and comment.
Ready? Jump. Jump. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
I need to buy a camera ASAP. Jacob, buy me a camera.
Okay. I guess 200 likes.
Guys, give me 200 likes, bro. I need 200 likes.
3, 2, 1. More. 3, 2, 1.
People are just staring at me. I feel weird. Like everybody's staring at me.
You gotta tell them that.
They need to know. My arm's getting tired. Y'all are gonna know everything.
They don't want to know that.
I'll catch on in a minute. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Today I washed a truck, and then I went to my brother's house and we didn't cruise at all. Then we went to San Marcos, met up with his friends. Then we drove over here to Buc-ee's, chill with some people. There's some pretty nice trucks. I didn't expect this to be here. All these bag trucks. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And leave a good comment, please. And that's gonna be it for this video. Go follow my Instagram. All my social media will be in my bio. So if you want to follow me or add me on Snap, go ahead and do that. I do have TikTok. It's the same as my Instagram, but that'll be in my bio. And I'll catch you on the next one.